In this video, I will show you how to get listed on Tripadvisor. So you want to head over to tripadvisor.com and scroll all the way to the bottom of the page right here. Now once you do that, under Explore right here, you will see Add a Place. If you click Add a Place, you can then here enter the location's name, the categories, so accommodation, restaurant, or thing to do. Then adding something else, so for example, I own a tour company or I own a vacation rental. Then write the address of where it is. Then are you an owner, employee, or official representative of this place? If so, click yes. And then you can choose to get emails with new reviews of this place, etc. Then click save and continue. And then you need to sign in to Tripadvisor so you can continue with Google or email. And now here in the contact and hours, you can add the website, which is optional, then the phone number, which is also optional, and the email also optional. Then here write the hours that this place is open. So first you can select the days. For example, if this one is open every single day, then you can select the hours for each specific day. So for example, here I can select 12 a.m. until, for example, 10 p.m. and then click save. And now it will take that for every single day, but you can just change it for specific days. For example, if on this day it's only 9 p.m, then click save. You can see Friday is now until 9 p.m. Now, if this place hasn't opened yet, you can select an opening date right here. Then just click submit. And now you have added this place, and once it is live, they will email you with instructions to claim your listing. So now you have added this place to Tripadvisor. Now here is an article about claiming ownership of the business listing, so you can just click claim your listing to find that. So now you know how to get listed on Tripadvisor. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.